Alright, so this is Lucy's Diamonds, Guitar Part 2. So you are going to hold off for the whole A section, and you start on the B section when it switches keys to B flat. Have some power chords. Now, B flat and F, and you have like a, this is 6/8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C and G. You could shift that pattern up, just move it around like this. Check with your conductor to see which he likes. But essentially it's just power chords moving around. So let's play, we'll play B section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your C section. Switch keys to G. You have to open A and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now your chords here, kind of hitting a G chord. C chord, G, C, and E, and then a D chord, F sharp, A, D. See, at measure 20, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now leave your second finger down and just lift like that. Show you that again. So just lift, but the second finger stays down for the G chord. Now right here at 26, stay on your D chord, but you bar your second finger down so you can get F sharp on top. And then at your D section, 27, I'm hitting A and an E up here. Then you come to letter E. Back to your power chords. Same exact thing. Letter F, same thing as our chords earlier. Now, when you hit the end of letter F, instead of hitting the F sharp in the bass for that chord that we did earlier, you actually hit a whole D chord. This is at measure 50 at the end of F. D, and then you hit a C sharp, E, A, sort of an A chord. Then you go back to your chords again. This is letter G. Then that brings us to H. At H, we go back to 6/8 after a D chord at measure 58, right before H. Then we have this E and A. Then we get a little tricky at measure 61. What I do, if we're in 9th position, we have an E, an A, and an E. You're going to leave your 4th finger up on E here, reach to a G with your 3rd finger. So let me show you that again. Slide your 3rd finger back for F sharp. And then for the F natural, I bring my 2nd finger, and then that kind of brings my 3rd finger around to the D, C sharp, A. So let me show you that all together. And again. That's at 61. That brings us to the end, at the very end, at 66 here. You slow down, and then you hit an E harmonic, and then a C sharp harmonic. What you can do is hold a C sharp with your second finger and touch the C sharp octave with your first finger and kind of pluck underneath with your P finger. A little tricky to kind of get out. It'll take some work. Oops. Want to make sure you're on the right fret too. And that is part 2.
So that would be also already